How to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. So hey guys, if you want to enable voice navigation in Google Maps, especially while driving, then this video is for you. So the first thing you need to do is click onto your profile picture icon at the top right position. Once you will click here, you can see this following interface. Now here in this menu, you need to select the settings option. Once you'll hit the settings, you need to scroll down until you can see this option of navigation right here. So simply click onto the navigation and it will give you this menu. Now the only two settings which are the primary requirement for the voice navigation to be turned on is that under the mute state it should be set to unmuted, and then under the guidance volume you can select any guidance volume according to your preference. So if you are hearing a softer voice, you may turn it to louder so that the voice navigation becomes louder and it is much more clear to you. So basically these two are the prerequisite settings that you need to do for best navigation. And apart from that, if you are having any issues, especially if you have Bluetooth connected over, then you may also need to disconnect this feature right here. So if you will disable this, then the voice will be played over your phone speaker rather than the Bluetooth. So if that could be an issue, then you might consider disabling this particular feature right here. And also the next option is that you can play voice even during phone calls. So if during phone calls the voice navigation stops, then you can enable this particular feature so that it doesn't stop. So these are all the features which are required to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. So if this video was any helpful to you, do give it a like, tell us in the comment how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.